Welcome to Sonido del Mar, where coastal luxury and Mediterranean charm await. Scan the QR code on your screen to book your stay and begin your journey to this exquisite retreat. Nestled in the enchanting town of Santa Pola, this stunning four-star sanctuary invites you to indulge in an escape defined by serenity and sophistication. From the moment you arrive, you'll be embraced by warm hospitality and an unwavering commitment to curating an unforgettable experience. The elegantly appointed rooms and suites at Sonido del Mar offer a haven of tranquility, each designed to frame the breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Floor-to-ceiling windows invite the golden sunlight to dance across refined interiors, while plush furnishings and thoughtful amenities ensure every moment is steeped in comfort. Step out onto your private terrace to savor the salt-kissed breeze or retreat to your sanctuary for an evening of quiet indulgence. Beyond your luxurious accommodations, the hotel unveils a world of carefully curated experiences. The vibrant games room beckons with its lively atmosphere, perfect for moments of playful connection, while the convenience store ensures every need is effortlessly met. For those arriving from afar, seamless airport transfers eliminate any hint of travel fatigue, whisking you from runway to relaxation in sublime comfort. Santa Pola itself is a treasure trove of coastal allure. From sun-drenched beaches to rich cultural landmarks, each moment here promises discovery. Yet, whether you choose to explore or simply linger in the hotel's embrace, every detail at Sonido del Mar is designed to elevate your stay into something extraordinary. Your Mediterranean escape begins with a simple scan. Don't forget to use the QR code to secure your reservation at Sonido del Mar, where luxury meets the sea in perfect harmony.